Hello, fellow growers, and welcome. Have you ever dreamt of eating mostly food grown right in your own backyard? Today, we're diving into a realistic plan for one person to grow 70 to 80% of their own food at home. It's an ambitious goal, but entirely achievable with smart planning and consistent effort. This isn't about perfectly pristine gardens or buying expensive equipment. It's about practical steps, maximizing your space, and understanding what truly sustains you. Let's dig in and discover how you can transform your yard into a thriving food source. The first step is understanding what 70 to 80% of your diet actually looks like. What foods do you consume most? Focus on calorie-dense staples like potatoes, sweet potatoes, dried beans, and winter squash. These will be your foundation. Next, evaluate your available space. You don't need acres. A sunny backyard, a patio, or even a well-lit balcony can be incredibly productive. Identify areas receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. These are your prime growing zones. Consider the layout. Raised beds are excellent for controlling soil quality and drainage. Container gardening opens up possibilities for patios and balconies. Vertical gardening structures can dramatically increase your yield in a small footprint. To hit that 70–80% mark, prioritize crops that offer high caloric or nutritional value and produce abundantly. Root vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes are incredibly efficient calorie producers per square foot. They also store well. Legumes such as bush beans and pole beans can provide protein and are easy to grow. Let some mature for dried beans, perfect for winter meals. Winter squash and pumpkins offer substantial yields and long storage times. Don't forget perennial fruits like berries, grapes, and dwarf fruit trees. While they take a few years to establish, their ongoing harvests contribute significantly to your food supply with minimal annual effort. For daily fresh consumption, grow leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. Tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini are summer staples that yield well. Herbs are also essential for flavor and can be grown in small spaces. Succession planting is key to continuous harvests. As soon as one crop finishes, plant another. For example, follow early spring radishes with lettuce, then bush beans, and finally fall greens. Interplanting combines different crops in the same bed. Taller plants can provide shade for heat-sensitive greens. Companion planting can also deter pests and improve growth, making your garden more resilient. Utilize vertical space with trellises for climbing plants like cucumbers, pole beans, and indeterminate tomatoes. This not only saves ground space, but can also improve air circulation, reducing disease. Consider stacking containers for herbs or strawberries. Your soil is the foundation of your food production. Investing in its health will pay dividends in abundant, nutritious harvests. Healthy soil holds moisture, provides nutrients, and supports a thriving ecosystem. Start a compost pile. Kitchen scraps, yard waste, and even shredded paper can be transformed into rich organic matter. Amending your soil with compost annually improves its structure and nutrient content. Consider planting cover crops during off-seasons. These protect the soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and can be tilled back into the earth to add organic matter and nutrients. Green manures are vital for long-term soil fertility. Water is a precious resource. Install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for your garden. Drip irrigation systems and soaker hoses deliver water directly to the root zone, minimizing waste and preventing fungal diseases on foliage. When it comes to pests, prevention is always easier than cure. Encourage beneficial insects by planting flowers that attract them. Regularly inspect your plants and address issues early with organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Hand-picking larger pests like tomato hornworms can be very effective. Use physical barriers like row covers to protect young plants from flying insects. A diverse garden ecosystem is naturally more resistant to pest outbreaks. Growing a lot of food means you'll need to preserve it for year-round consumption. Freezing is excellent for many vegetables and fruits. Canning allows you to store items like sauces, pickles, and jams without refrigeration. Dehydrating is perfect for herbs, fruits, and even some vegetables. A root cellar or cool, dark pantry is ideal for storing potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions, garlic, and winter squash for months. Learn a few preservation methods. Achieving 70 to 80% homegrown food is a journey, not a destination. Don't feel overwhelmed. Start small with a few of your favorite high-yield crops. Master those, then gradually expand your garden and your repertoire. Every tomato, every potato, every bean you grow yourself is a step toward greater food independence and resilience. Enjoy the process, celebrate your harvests, and savor the taste of your hard work. Happy gardening,